Hello, beautiful people. Good day wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel, Crypto Ozo. Um, I'm glad to, bring this um, analysis to you. Well, most of us might be wondering, when is the next bull run going to happen? Yeah, when is the next bull run going to happen? So, yeah, as we all know, one of the principal cryptocurrency that determines bull run is Bitcoin. So we are going to be looking at the Bitcoin charts. I already have this markup, uh, this chart markup. So, but I will explain what I've done and yeah, so you follow me. So, but if you are just seeing my channel for the first time or you are a returning subscriber, please like this video and help me to share it with your friends, okay? And then please do subscribe to my channel. It's a new channel that I'm trying to grow, so support me by subscribing to my channel. And then you can turn on the notification bell such that anytime I bring to you analysis like this, you get to see it first. Okay, yeah. So without wasting up much of our time, let us go into the analysis proper. Okay, so yeah, this is Bitcoin chart. If you switch to the 1 day time frame, you can see it. Let me zoom out in and see. Yeah, so we have something like this, right? But if we look a little bit closely by zooming in like this, you will notice that we are currently um, for the past from November, let's say from December of last year, Bitcoin has been on an uptrend. You can see, yeah. So this my yellow line is the uptrend line. Okay, yeah. So it's the uptrend line drawn on a 1 day time frame. So if you can see, yeah, as you can see, it is perfectly lining up, you know, to form this uptrend. But Ah, what happened few days ago? At the top of the cliff here, around 31,000 thereabouts, we've been seeing a lot of price rejection, and all sorts. Yeah, so that led to some sell-offs, and few days ago, on the 19th, we had this massive dump, right? And yeah, there is a kind of support around this region. So yeah, it gave a pullback. Okay. Um, but before then, let me quickly explain what I have done in this chart for us. So yeah, apart from this uptrend line, okay, we can see a support region around here, and that is being marked up by this rectangle here. Okay, so this the support region, well, some of us believe that support is not actually a point but rather a region. So this region here, I can say, is the support region. The first rectangle here is a support region, and as you can see, at the first time price tested it here around June. Okay, it bounces back, and then again few days ago on the 19th of August, uh, it tested it again, here, and the support, you know, head on, it's head on very uh, slightly. Yeah, but what we can notice also is that since on the 17th of August, the price has been hovering around this support region. Okay, it's still there. What is it going to do next? When is the bull coming? Every now and then, every month, we hear about the news of the bull coming. We are close to the bull. We are close to the bull run. Yeah, what is bull run? Don't let anybody FOMO you into, doing what you're not supposed to do. Take a look at the chart yourself and see what the chart is saying. So yeah, we've understood this support region here. Let's go down a little bit. Some might say there is a support section around here, but if this present support around 20 to 20, let's say 24 or 25,000 gets broken, then we are going to the next support, which is around here. Okay, if I zoom out, you will notice that here a lot of, yeah, so it's a support region. I can extend the line down back here, but I just decided not to do so. So you will notice that the other support line, if this present support gets broken, then we are going down to something like 20,000. Yeah. So yeah, 20,000, and we might even have a peep at 19,000 plus. You understand? So yeah, so this other rectangle is the next support, critical support that Bitcoin will do. So, but what is of importance to me is what has happened in the event of the last few days, especially on here around here. If you notice that from December last year when Bitcoin started, this run, yeah, it, going by this trend line, the first touch was when it picked up here, and then it came back here around March this year to touch this trend line. Then few months later, in June, it touched it again. Then this is the third touch. One, two, three. Okay. And that third touch has broken that uptrend line. So now there is this struggle for Bitcoin to, will it move back and get into this uptrend? Then that is what we are here to see. Because at that point is where we are looking at bull run, the so-called bull run, when that is when it is coming. So, but from what I can see on this chart, I will just tell you that for now, don't expect any bull run, even not to the end of this year, because if we look at this chart critically, right, Bitcoin has already broken this trend line, uptrend line. Now is in a critical area of support. And if you see this, my markup, my own belief is that Bitcoin is going to drop down to around this 25,000, 24,800 or thereabout to try to break the support. Then there might be a pullback, before it finally breaks the support and come down. Yeah, this coming down to touch this 20,000 level might not just be this part, might not be this straight. It might be a form of zigzag, behavior, but eventually it's going to come to 20,000. Now, this might take a couple of months, maybe 2, 3, 4 months thereabout before we see this. And it might be within the next coming month, you understand? But there is a very high probability that this support line, this support region will be broken, and we are going to see Bitcoin come down to 20,000. So before we now start seeing a mini pullback, and what is going to be driving this pullback, apart from institutional investors coming into the Bitcoin space, let's look at the Bitcoin halving that will be coming up. The halving event where the block reward get reduced by half, right? So let's check when the next Bitcoin halving is. Bitcoin um, halving countdown. Yeah, so we have Bitcoin halving countdown. So let's search on Google and see what it shows us. Yeah. Okay, so well, let's check from Binance Academy here from the first link. So let's see the countdown. Okay, let's see the countdown when that would be. So see, we have countdown to be 242 days, 11 hours. Okay, 242 days. If we convert that to to month, let's divide it by 30. 242 by 30. Yeah, so we have like around 8 months, right? So we have 8 months before the halving period. If you 8 months, we have how many months for this month to end? Like 4 months, thereabout. So we are looking at around April next year when the halving will take place. And during that time, we expect the price of Bitcoin to to rally up a little bit. Okay, we expect the price of Bitcoin to rally up a little bit. So my proposition is that within this pull down here, then this pull down will happen between now to December period. Then around January, February, March, there is going to be pullback up into getting back to this region. Then whatever bull run that we are expecting will be price trying to break this region into the upper section here. Okay, so that such that this can be extended, further. Then we can now be talking about bull run. You understand that price of Bitcoin is trying to get back into this 30,000 region, 31,000, and then possibly climb back and go up this trend line and move forward. Yeah, so don't be over expectant of any bull run, especially in the next 1 to 3 months or to the end of this year. What you should probably be thinking of is how to position yourself, you know, to take opportunities, because at the end, Bitcoin is going to drop, especially in the next 1 to 3 months. See, around that December, we might find Bitcoin around 20,000. You know, well, that is my own analysis about the current market. So if I'm looking at it now, anything that makes Bitcoin to drop to 24,500, 24,600, then you should know that it's coming down to 20. So don't be afraid to put your short positions, guys. Okay, that is my own analysis. And if you agree with me, let me know in the comment section. And if you don't, also let me know what you think about my analysis. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification. You can feel free, don't be stingy, feel free to share um uh, my channel with your friends. I don't have many videos yet, but gradually I'm building up. You can be expect me to make 1 or 2 analysis about any coin I like. And if you want me to analyze a coin for you, you can just drop the name on the channel in the comment section. I'll pick it up and I will try my best, to analyze and let you know what my opinion is. Okay. I am not a financial advisor, so don't take my word for it 100%. I'm just trying to share opinions with you. Okay. And let you know that this is how I'm seeing the market. If you see it any other way, you can let me know. Let's interact in the comment section. Okay. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Um, it's been a very short video, but I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things from my analysis. So if you have any question, please let me know through the comment section. Okay. You can, in the description of this video, you will find a link to my Telegram uh, account. You can decide to chat me up and you know let me know your opinion or whatever it is that you want to get across to me. Yeah, so thank you guys, and do enjoy the rest of your day or night or whenever you're watching this. Yeah, until next time, see you. Bye bye.